Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use YAML files in Python. First, you will need to install the PyYaml library. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install PyYaml, then press enter. This library provides the necessary functions to work with YAML data. YAML, which stands for Yaml Ain't Markup Language, is a popular data serialization format. It is widely used for configuration files because of its clear, human-readable structure, making it easy to understand and edit. To read data from a YAML file, begin by importing the YAML module at the top of your Python script. Next, open your YAML file in read mode. A with statement is recommended for proper file handling. Then, use the YAML safe load function, passing your file object to it. This function securely parses the YAML content and converts it into a standard Python dictionary. You can then access specific values from this dictionary using their corresponding keys, just as you would with any other Python dictionary. When you need to save Python data into a YAML file, start by preparing your data as a Python dictionary. This dictionary will hold all the information you want to store. Then, open your target YAML file in write mode, again using a with statement for best practice. The YAML dump function is your key tool here. Pass your dictionary and the file object to it. For enhanced readability in the output file, consider adding the argument default flow style equals false to ensure a block style format. For robust applications, always prioritize safety and best practices. Crucially, use YAML safe load instead of YAML load to mitigate security risks by preventing the execution of arbitrary code. Implement error handling, such as a try except block for file not found error, to gracefully manage missing files. After loading, validate your data's structure and types to ensure it matches your expectations. Finally, maintain clear, well-commented YAML files. This significantly improves long-term maintainability and collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.